Oh, right by the courthouse. Nice. This is the fucking courthouse right here. I love it. Ah, Photogromer sticker on the helmet too up. Shout out. Thanks, bro. Like your hair, lady. How's the bump here? Oh, we're by the lot that we end in. Hell yeah. It's gonna take me forever to get the fuck up this thing. I'm so high in RPMs. Bump. Oh fuck. She's videotaping it. Now she's jamming out. That 4Runner's coming in. No, 4Runner, you gonna fuck up my bridge wheelie. Look at that. All the way over the bridge, up the on-ramp, all the way off. Damn, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, no, no. No, no. Don't do it. You're going to fuck up my truck. You wait. Damn cowboy hat. There you go, Lewis. There's your cowboy hat. I'm not putting this bitch down. Just living up here. It's my life now. Come on. I'm not putting this motherfucker down. No, 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 no.